Hello and welcome this tutorial. Have you come across something like this before? You wanted to view one of your favorite music or video through YouTube, and this is what you see. This video is not available in your country. Maybe people living in the United States or Canada, they might not experience something like this, but the rest of the world, you see this video is not available in your country. Or you want to go certain countries in the Middle East, like let's say Saudi Arabia, and this is what you see. Sorry, the requested page is not available, unavailable, and in Arabic and in English. Then you want to go to Dubai, and this is what you see. Site blocked with no reason. And then the last is China. It's a great wall of firewall. This is what you see. Anything, sometimes Facebook, sometimes you see YouTube, anything at all it says this is not available. Then for me, one of my favorite websites are A Daily Show from America with Jon Stewart. Anytime I try to access this website from UK, this is what I experience. If I say Daily Show and go to the main website, this is what I see. It just goes and it says straight away, sorry, videos are not currently available in your country. This is really frustrating because I like watching this comedy news from America and it's not available. So tonight we're going to learn together something very simple and straightforward software. We'll install a software. It's very simple. Once we install the software, which you can download from my server under the description, then we can access any website, anything at all. You don't need proxy or any fancy geeky stuff from the internet. So the first thing we need to do is this is a shield, the software is called Anchor. You can download from the description section from my server. It's absolutely free and it's very light. It's about I'll probably say less than 5 megabytes. As you can see, 4.87 megabyte. So the first thing I do is just install. You have to have a WinRAR to use this software because anything you download from the server, you require WinRAR. So if you double click this one and we just install, it just takes about a couple of seconds, couple of 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes to install. It's called a shield. It's called Hotspot Shield from Anchor. Agree. Next. Don't edit this toolbar. It's nonsense. Say next again. The home page, default, blah blah. These things you can always remove anything you want from here. And say install. As soon as you install, it goes straight away to the internet, and the first thing we'll see is the main page. What it does is it just shields. It confuses the internet, so you can access any website anywhere you are. It's straightforward without needing any configuration or anything complicated. Next, on launch hotspot. This is how it goes by. Straight away try to connect to the internet. Just close it from here. The first thing I see is the color is connecting. We just wait until it connects to the color. Meanwhile, let's close this one to make it easy. Now it's connected. Privacy is on. So what I'll do is I'm just going to go back to the internet and I go to Daily Show. Daily Show. Once I go here, let me type A Daily Show. Once I go here, I'm just going to go to the same website and we'll probably have advertised coming first. Advertiser, they always do advertising anyway. Now I can easily access the website without any problem whatsoever. The first thing we might see advertising, to first 20 seconds they will probably put advertising, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, straight away. He's interviewing this man. If I pause and I tell you, actually I quite enjoy Jon Stewart's videos, but I despise this man. It's absolutely one of the most disgusting person. That's my personal view, by the way. The ex-British Prime Minister. Anyway, the whole point was not political things. It was like, how can we access this one? You can access, as you can see, straight away without any problem whatsoever. So as long as this one stays here, and it says connected privacy on, you can access any website, any blocked from China, to other countries like where they block the websites, like Saudi Arabia and Dubai, the mainly Middle East. You can always do, and Saudi Arabia, Dubai. And the most important ones are this video is not available in your country. So what you do is download, try to put that software. If the software is not running, if I say disconnect off, and I try to go back again to a daily show or any other blocked website or a video or anything, it just automatically, it doesn't allow me now because it's not on, the privacy is not on. See, straight away say sorry, video is not available from there. So here we go, very straightforward. I think everybody will understand this, and you can install. You don't need any proxy or any complicated or any codes or anything like that. You can easily download this one from my server. Go under the description, and that will be it, and end of the story. If there's any comment, anything, you can always leave any comment you like, anything you want me to do in the future. I'll be doing more videos like this. Anyway, everybody, take care and see you later.